Hi, my name is Aruna. I come from data analysis background and I was looking to start my IT career in the UK. Like many others, I was finding it challenging to break into the market and secure the right opportunity. That's when I came across Fortray Global Service Limited, and it turned out to be the turning point in my journey. Currently, I'm excited to share that I have secured a role as an application support engineer and I will be starting it very soon. What really excited me about Fortray was how they marketed my profile and aligned it with the right opportunities. They ensured my CV was positioned well and helped me getting interview calls. Their interview preparation support, especially the technical guidance, played a very important role in helping me successfully clear the interviews. I would definitely recommend Fortray to anyone looking to build a career in the UK, as they provide genuine support, strong guidance, and real results. Thank you.